Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at NVDA, AMD, Tesla, and MU. So let's get right into the charts. NVIDIA, weekly chart. Let's go start with the daily. And we're looking at $6.07 up, a little bit up after hours. And what do we have? 18 million on the day. And it was actually 3.86% in the green. So a pretty good day today, guys. Still inside this bar, still retracing up here. We did fill, did we fill the gap today? We had a good, real important gap fill. No, I don't think we did. Let's see, the close of this candle was 164.43. The high of the day here, 160. No, look at that. So we did not close the gap here, so we did not fill the gap. So interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars up into this red bar. We'll see what happens next week. This is still weak, guys, still in the lower range, just like we did here. Look, nice retrace, kind of chopping around, kind of shook everybody out, and it was like, oh, then it kind of bounced it up, hey, yeah, and then flushed it on earnings. Everyone thought, this thing's going back to 250 easily. And then they dumped it. So still holding up, still doing okay. A little bit stretched from the 20 down here. That's why it's kind of, getting that little bit of bounce. And then the markets are bouncing, so you got to watch for that too. Let's go to the weekly though. This is the weekly close. Weekly close still holding this big area down here at 144, guys. You got the pivot, you got the 750. Everything's overshooting, going to the 750. I still think on the weekly chart we go to 116, a little bit lower on this one. We're not look, we're stretched from the 20 on the weekly big time. This should go up. If this starts to rip lower, guys, maybe on the G20, then we'll be, gosh, if we get down in this area, even 110, 105, oh my gosh. So that's what we're waiting for on this one, and we're gonna just see how it goes, guys. We'll watch it next week. Again, guys, the G20 news, we could be flying on Monday, or we could be dying on Monday. So 50-50 shot. We put some positions on today, if you remember, and we're giving it a shot, guys. What else what do we have to lose at this point? But if this thing continues to bounce, then we'll be watching for the 170.85 area, the 180.94 area, and then the 200 even number, if we could get back up there. Then we'll start reanalyzing this one, because then we'll go from the Fibonacci, the shorter term time frame right there, and then we'll see where this goes. But right up in here, guys, that would be a juicy short. I don't know if we'll get there, but my gosh, when you fall from a high pivot like this, man, and if we stay in this lower range, we will be heading lower. And if the markets pull back, the IWM, these will all be heading lower. So that's another thing, guys. Everything's a market trade. Markets grind higher, this will grind higher. Markets grind lower, the SPY, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, all that grind lower. All these will grind lower with the markets. We start getting volume again, guys. Watch for volume. Let's go into AMD. AMD's been a tricky one, guys. No position for me in this one right now. We covered it when it was coming down. Just pretty much bouncing in this channel, guys. I mean, we're holding it right above it, right on top. We haven't broke out yet. We got above that line, first step, but still just kind of chopping in this lower range. So if we take straight, let's just do straight horizontal trend lines. That's kind of where we're at now. Boom, boom. Yeah, we got a little bit of a pennant going, but we're still in, just kind of chopping. But look at the daily or the weekly. Weekly tells a little bit of a different story. Big red bar, a little bit of retrace underneath the 20 MA. Still in an okay stance, being above the 50 and the 20, but this is down sideways, just chopping. I think we just kind of chop, and then the next drop. Again, weekly chart, 200 MA. Where's that at? Double bottom. If we get there, I'll probably be a buyer. But it all depends on the market again, guys. If we get here and the markets are bouncing for a week and this thing's still going down in this area and the bounce in the market's still going for the next 2 weeks, then you got to buy this one. Right now we're just chopping. Nothing to do. Yeah, we took this trade, we were underwater and came right back in, high flyer, weekly chart, monthly chart, all the time frames, and it did exactly what we thought it would do. We were in some pain, don't get me wrong, and then boom, right back. And we got paid. But this one we've done a couple times, guys, and we got paid on every other time. So this is just another trade, same size position, a little bit bigger because my account grows as time goes by. But that's what we do. So So AMD, guys, let's see what it gives us next week. Let's see if we can move up a little bit weak today, even on an up day. So you got to keep an eye on that. Tesla, nothing like a good push today, guys. So someone needed higher prices in this one, like always. And still, though, chopping. Had a nice little topping tail. We covered half. We're in the trade. If this thing continues up, we're going to add another half to this one. The half that we sold. Maybe we do a quarter on this one. Okay, goes up more. Because we still could move up. If the markets get the Santa Claus rally, we could go a little higher. So yeah, maybe we'll do that. We'll see how it looks if it goes up into this area. And then we'll make the decision up here. At least a quarter position of what you should have sold half down here. On the up move now, we're going to take that half we sold. Let's add another quarter. So say if you had 100 shares, you covered 50 here. Gets up to here, do 25. Gets up a little higher, maybe past this high, maybe gap fill, 371, 372, maybe 375, quarter number, add the last quarter. Or maybe it pushes to 390, we do it there. As long as we're up in this range here from 360 to 380, we get an average price around 370, 375, even 365 isn't bad. Get that average up, and then boom. Weekly chart. Price target still right around 310. If we go up a little bit more, that will even get it stretched. Let's bring it in, because it's going to come across here anyways. I want to look at the monthly real quick on this one. Monthly chart, yeah, not too stretched on the monthly, but still 264 is the 50 MA on here, which is another price target. See how it's going up now? It's like boing, boing, big area up here, guys. Got to keep an eye on that, especially you got to get a position. So we're still in the money on the second half, but it's creeping on, man. This fall here, I thought you get a candle like that. Usually that clicks and gives us a little bit more right into this area. It just didn't do it. Someone came in and was like, nope, I got options that are expiring. I got to push this thing up. Look at the intraday action on this one. It's just like a little bit down, hits that double bottom from yesterday, and slingshot straight up. Right the gap fill, double top, stalls out. One more push, stalls out. Look at these pushes though, 50. Yeah, these are $3-4 pushes back. So comes right back up. Selling comes in. Selling comes in. Yeah, this one was wild today. But it's Tesla, guys. What do you expect? Options expire. I think they have options that expire today. So someone needed some higher prices. Even from here, they put the pedal to the metal. And today I was like, nope. It had to be 350. That was the number. Get it above there, get it below there. That had to be the key number right there. And that's a tough one. Everyone's looking at that. So anyways, though, still topping tail here. If it retraces up a little bit more, we'll take another stab at it. Quarter position. If it goes up a little bit more, we'll do another quarter. And then hold on to this one, where this one usually goes up 100, down 100. We're getting really good resistance up in here. Let's see what it gives us. A weekly chart too. Weekly chart, you still have the inside bar, came on up, retraced up. Now do we dribble again? We'll see. Next week's a different day. G20 though, wild card. This thing can fly on the G20. Or maybe Trump comes out and says, hey, throw more tariffs on you guys. Have a good weekend. You know, who knows with that guy. Oh man. Anyways, right back up here in a good resistance. Let's see what we get the next couple of days. MU daily chart, still weak though, guys. Still in a downtrend, making the high, lower high, just bearish, and then it gets the pop a little bit. This was actually a little micro bullish. It was like, all right, let's see where it gives us, and then right back down. But gets the nice bounce off a double bottom. So this was almost the shakedown. Everyone who bought here, they're just like, all right, let's see if they can handle it. If you bought too big of a position here, you're just like, oh my god, if this thing breaks this, oh my gosh. Gets the bounce, they shake everybody out, gets the bounce. The guy who bought here, sold here, and then bought back here and chasing it. It'll probably come back down again. But we'll see. Again, we're just waiting on this one. No position, just taking it slow and steady in these markets. I mean, how do you get in this? I mean, other than double bottom, but if that would have broke out, let's go to the weekly. So the weekly, guys, this is what I'm saying. If this thing gives out, we're going to 28 bucks, 29 bucks. So you don't want to be caught in this thing at 34. Next thing you know, it's flushing. When you could be buying here at gap fill at 27 bucks. So watch for that area down in here. Yep, in this period, this one too, 26.36. So yeah, so that's pretty much the areas we're looking at here. Right now we're consolidating down in the weak position. A little bit stretched though from the weekly, from the 20 MA. Gosh, I should be doing the monthlies too, and then the month, then the monthly too. Let's see, you know, I mean that those are monthly closes. So, but this has a little doji. That could be an up signal. Got a little bit of a doji here though, and it was straight down. So got interesting charts here, guys. So again, though, we retrace to the lows. If that cracks out, we're probably going to 29, 27 down in here. And there maybe start getting interested. You know, then by that time, we'll probably be into earnings again. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit stuffy today. And then the weekly, though, guys. Good consolidation, though. Inside bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks sideways. 20 MA curling down. Not as far as before when it was up here. So now it has still has still a little bit stretched. If this keeps creeping down, I could set this one easily down into this area. So just beware, guys. Everything's a market trade. Markets go up, everything goes up. Markets go down, everything goes down, unless some news or something there that they're talking about. Because there were still some negative stocks. AutoZone, for all you guys who stuck around. This one finally pulled back a little bit more, which was nice. We're playing a monthly chart. A little bit going down a little bit more. We didn't, we came back in. We closed on a monthly, so we did not close above the high. So we definitely wanted to see that. So we'll see if we get another retrace, and then maybe the next sell-off. We'll see. Hopefully, getting in these short calls, guys, and they're almost there. They're getting close, and we'll see what happens. I still got a little bit of time on these, and we'll give it to December 21st. Then we'll see if we get paid on these. All right, guys. That's going to be it for today. I just want to make it short and quick. I'll probably go over some monthly charts too that we're looking at since it was the monthly close. And just keep an eye on the markets, guys. Small positions, slow and steady. We had a great year. I don't want to give it back in the month of December. And, you make 50%, you're giving it all back in, 3 weeks. It's like, no, let's go slow and steady. Small positions or no positions. If I throw out 4 positions out there, guys, take 1 or 2. If you can handle all of them, then take all of them. Again, if you have $1,000 that you're winning or losing, then if you take 4 positions, make sure they're around $1,000, all 4. So if you lose on all 4, it's 1,000, and that was one winning trade, so it would just counter them. If you can handle a little bit more, take a little bit more. Or if you want to do a couple contracts in the queues and just stick it with that, that's fine too. So I'm just saying, indexes right now, guys, that's the way to go. That's what we're going to try to do. We'll see the news on Monday and Tuesday and see how these markets act. So, all right, guys, so hopefully that helps some of you. This video's for my members and my free members too. So if you want to sign up, it's $30, guys. Sign up. I'm throwing out some good trades lately and all year. If you're taking most of them, and even half of them, you're doing pretty damn good. A couple of them we got stuck in, but that's trading, guys. But for the most part, we keep banging them out. We have some really good day trades that were in and out, or earnings trades. Those have been pretty good. Couple went against us, but we shorted, covered, made some money on it. A little bit upside down, if not right around the green area, and then you play it from there. So, all right, guys. That's going to be it for today. It's Friday. Enjoy your family. Have a great weekend, guys. Thanks for stopping by, watching my stuff. Thank you, members. Thank you, potential members. Some people are free members at my site. And for you guys, I'm going to do more videos on here instead of on YouTube. So come here and watch the videos. And I still do stuff on YouTube as well here and there. I do my live sessions though, guys. Watch for those on StockTwits. I post stuff on there. So if you follow me at StockTwits or at my YouTube page, when I go live, you get the email. So, or whatever alert you get, whatever you have set up at your YouTube channel that you subscribe. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great night. God bless. See you on the charts.